Quickly delete all comments in Excel. I'll show you the fastest ribbon method because it clears every comment and note on the sheet in one click. Press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to highlight the entire sheet. If Excel only selects the data block around your cursor, press Ctrl and A a second time. Don't release Ctrl between presses, just hit A again. The selection now spreads across all rows and columns, including the empty space far to the right and below your data. If you're on a Mac, this is Command A. Even if you have filters on and some rows are hidden, Ctrl A selects everything. That matters, because comments can sit in cells you never look at. On this sheet, I have a purple threaded comment marker in column C and a red note triangle lower down. This one command is about to remove both at once. Now move your mouse up to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. It's the first tab on the ribbon sitting left of the Insert tab. If your ribbon is collapsed and only tab names are visible, click Home once and the ribbon expands. When you click it, the ribbon switches to the Home commands. Over on the far right is the Editing block. It holds a bunch of tools including AutoSum, Fill, Clear, Sort, and Filter, and Find and Select. This is faster than using the Review tab because Review splits threaded comments and notes into two separate groups. The Home tab keeps one command for both. Click the Clear button. It's the small pink eraser, and it sits between Fill and Sort and Filter. If you are not sure, hover over it for a second, and the tooltip will say Clear. A drop-down opens with several clear options. You'll see Clear All, Clear Formats, Clear Contents, Clear Comments and Notes, and Clear Hyperlinks. If you want a safety net, press Ctrl S now because there's no confirmation prompt, and once you close the file, undo won't help. I never pick Clear All here because that one deletes the actual cell contents, not just the comments. Clear Formats would strip your fills and number formats, and Clear Hyperlinks only removes links from cells. Skip those. The item you want is Clear Comments and Notes, and it is the one right after Clear Contents. Click it. Watch the grid the moment you click. The purple comment marker and the red note triangle disappear, but the cell values and formatting stay exactly where they are. If nothing visibly changes, that usually means the sheet had no comments or notes to remove. The command still runs without harm. On older Excel versions, the wording may be just Clear Comments. If you see that, pick it, because it removes the legacy notes in that version. If the sheet is protected, the Clear option will be grayed out instead. Head to Review, click Unprotect Sheet, then come back and repeat the Clear step. Press Escape to drop the selection. The sheet is still intact, just without the comments and notes. Now click the Review tab to confirm. In the Comments group, click Show Comments. The Comments pane opens on the right side, and it should be empty now. That's the fastest check. This command only clears the active sheet. If your workbook has comments on other tabs, click the Next Sheet tab at the bottom. Then press Ctrl and A, open the Clear dropdown, and choose Clear Comments and Notes again. You repeat that on each sheet that has them. Don't assume the whole workbook is clean after one pass because Excel treats each sheet as its own range. If you want to keep the newer threaded comments and remove only the old red triangle notes, go to the Review tab. In the Notes group, click Delete, then choose Delete All Notes. That wipes the legacy notes without touching the threaded comments. Use this when someone sends you a workbook that has both styles and you only want the old ones gone. And if you ever pick Clear All by mistake, press Ctrl and Z immediately before you click anywhere else. That brings the cell contents and the comments back in one go. If this saved you a cleanup pass, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this video to the next person searching for the same fix. Those comments tell me whether to keep making these quick Excel fixes.